Hello friends, this is Sanket. Our today's topic is third-party libraries in iOS application development. So now, before we started, let's try to introduce about the what is third-party, how to use it, and how to implement in your projects. So now, let's start with the what is third-party libraries. So now to make the transition easier for you and save you the time you would spend written certain components for your application. Here are a lots of libraries that we think every iOS developer should know about. So now in simple language, third party library is a collection of ready-made frameworks and classes. You have to also know with the third party it's a collection of some ready-made codes. Now you have to implement in your projects with a different third party as per your application requirement. Now for the third party we have to require the tools like Cocoa Pods and Cartridge can help you speed up installing and maintaining the library you use in your projects, and in that we make project dependency management easy for you. So now for the in advanced application development we have to require a different types of third party libraries, and then after you have to use that third party library using Cocoa Pods or Cartridge tools. Now third party libraries, so while some of the third party services have iOS libraries available, so now they are the often quite complicated or iOS only, they have dependency themselves are written in Objective-C or Swift or just have old fashioned API. Now as per the requirement configuration to maintain the third party libraries, the third party library is written in Objective-C or Swift. Okay, for example you have to develop the Swift project. Now we have to require one library, but that library is written in Objective-C, so now you have to also use the Objective-C library in your Swift projects using the bridging header. Okay, now over time we would need to make sure that this dependency keep working. Now here you can see the top 10 most useful iOS libraries and 2020. So now the most popular libraries is Elmo Fire. The old version of the Elmo Fire is AF networking. So now AF networking is used to in Objective-C project, but right now we are working with the Swift. At that time you have to use Elmo Fire. Then you have to also use the RX Swift, the Kingfisher. Again, Kingfisher is the most popular third party for the image and videos loading on the server. Okay, so now you have to use a Kingfisher in your project as per requirement, the Lottie, the Swift length, a Snapkit. Again, Snapkit, it's the most popular library for the auto layout constraint. Then Swifty Bear, Kitchen Access, Realm. Again, Realm is the most popular database third party library you have to use in your application according to a local database synchronization. Then you have to also use MJ Refresh. Apart from there, the lots of third parties are available in market. You have to use and you have to implement in your project as per your requirement. So now this is the third party libraries. Now in your application you have to use the third party as per your requirement using the Cocoa Pod and Cartridge tools. So now this is the third party in iOS application development. Thank you.